Hi! Welcome to English class with Miss Lasni here. This time, we are going to learn about expressing the future. Probably, some of you have known two futures are thing. Will or shall and going to. Fine. I'm going to share with you the 5 futures and how they are different from one another. So, let's get started. Number 1, the present continuous. Maybe you have known the present continuous and you can say, it's taking place now. You are right. But we can also use it to talk about the future that is going to happen very, very soon. For example, if you ask me, Miss, what are you doing this weekend? Well, I'm hanging out with my friends this weekend. What are you doing tonight? I'm watching my favorite movie. So you see, I'm hanging out with my friends and I'm watching my favorite movie are two sentences which are present continuous tense. So present continuous is very, very common when you are talking about the future which is happen very soon. Number 2, future continuous. We use future continuous to express that something will be in progress at a time in the future. For example, we will be learning in the science lab tomorrow. Number 3, simple present. Usually, we use simple present to talk about routine, but you can also use simple present to express the future, but this is very specific for timetables and schedules. We use this when we are talking about the schedules or events. Example, when we talk about transportation, TV shows, restaurants openings and closings. For example, now it's 1 p.m. and I say, the last train leaves at 6 p.m. today. So, 6 p.m. hasn't happened yet today. It's in the future. But because this is a scheduled event, we can use simple present. Here is another example. This is 2 p.m. right now, for example. And my sister said, the restaurant opens at 5 p.m. today. It means this is going to happen at 5 p.m. Number 4, going to. Going to sleep, going to have your dinner. So we use going to when you're talking about a near future. Similar to the present continuous, but this is future when we think something is going to happen and we have evidence for it. Imagine I watch the weather prediction and the meteorologists predict the weather. It's a very good prediction because we could see the cloud in the sky. There is a lot of evidence it's going to rain. So we could say it's going to rain all the week. This is likely to happen and we are pretty sure it is going to happen. We have some evidence that makes us think it's going to happen. Number 5, will or shall. So we use this also when we are not sure about something. We use prediction. For giving information about the future, it will be summer. For prediction what we think or guess, we will have a great time. For asking or suggesting what to do, we use shall. What shall I bring with me? So just to recap, just to quickly go over everything, there are 5 futures I'm sharing with you today. Present continuous, used for future if it is happen very soon. Future continuous, to express that something will be in progress at that time in the future. Simple present can be used for the future if it is a routine or schedule. Going to, if you're talking about the near future or some kind of plan or prediction, we have evidence for. We can use will when we are not sure of something. So, there you have 5 futures. What do you think? I hope you can learn something. Okay? Take care, stay healthy, and thank you. Bye-bye.